Imagine this. You've opened a beautiful store with amazing products, but no one is walking through the door. People would love what you have to offer if only they would step inside. Now, this is the challenge of lead generation for B2B marketers. Finding ways to bring the right people into your sales funnel. In the last video, we discussed proven techniques to pinpoint and attract the right business buyers. Today, we are taking it a step further and diving into lead generation tactics for B2B marketers. By the end of this video, you will have a toolbox full of strategies to generate high quality leads that are ready to engage with your business. Stick with me because the last few tactics we will discuss can make a world of difference. Trust me, you will not want to miss them. So before we dive into the tactics, let's get clear on what lead generation means. Simply put, lead generation is the process of attracting potential customers, people, or businesses who are genuinely interested in what you offer. In B2B, it's not just about generating any leads. It is about finding the right ones, decision makers, influencers, and stakeholders with the power to buy or recommend your product. Effective lead generation sets the stage for everything else, nurturing relationships, building trust, and ultimately closing deals. See, your website is not just a digital storefront. It is your most powerful lead generation tool, but it needs to be optimized to capture leads effectively. So how to do it? First, use clear call to action CTAs. So guide visitors with buttons like get a free demo or download our guide. Second is create landing pages. Design pages focused on specific offers like white papers or webinars. Then add forms, collect information like name, email, and job title in exchange for valuable resources. Let's look at this with the help of an example. Let's say you are offering a free ebook on streamlining supply chain operations. Your landing page should have a catchy headline, a brief description, and a simple form to download the ebook. So here's a pro tip for you. Keep forms short. The less effort it takes to fill them out, the more leads you will capture. Now, LinkedIn is not just for networking. It's a gold mine for B2B leads. Now think of it as a room full of professionals all ready to connect. How to use LinkedIn? That's a question that comes to our mind. First, join relevant groups, share insights, and start conversations in industry specific groups. Publish thought leadership content. Articles or posts showcasing your expertise can attract the right audience. Then use LinkedIn ads. So target specific job titles, industries, or company sizes with sponsored content. For example, run a LinkedIn ad campaign offering a free consultation for businesses in your target industry. Use precise targeting to reach decision makers. So here's a pro tip. LinkedIn is about relationships. Do not just sell, engage. Now, email is one of the most effective ways to generate leads. It is direct, personal, and measurable. So here are a few tactics you can try. First is drip campaign. So basically what it means is you send a series of emails to guide leads through the buyer journey. Then exclusive offers. Use gated content like ebook, webinars, or reports to encourage signups. Then send personalized emails. Address recipients by name and tailor content to their industry or challenges. Here's an example. Send an email series to a list of prospects, starting with a free resource, followed by success stories, and ending with an invitation to book a demo. So here's a pro tip. Always include a clear call to action in every email. Now, webinars. Webinars are like hosting a mini conference, but online. They are interactive, educational, and perfect for B2B lead generation. And here is how you succeed with webinars. First is pick a hot topic. Choose something that solves a pain point for your audience. Then promote widely. So share your webinar on social media, email, and your website. Then engage during the session. Use polls, question and answer, or chat to interact with attendees. Let's understand this with the help of an example. Say a software company might host a webinar on how to boost team productivity with automation. Participants who register become qualified leads. And here's a pro tip: follow up with attendees after the webinar to continue the conversation. So let's talk about content marketing. So great content does not just educate, it generates leads. Content marketing helps you attract the right audience by answering their questions and solving their problems. So some of the effective content types are: number one is blogs. So write about industry trends, how-tos or common challenges. Then case studies, showcase how you have helped other businesses succeed. Then you have infographics, which helps you simplify complex topics into visually engaging formats. For example, a blog post titled 5 Ways to Reduce Supply Chain Cost could include a CTA to download a free cost reduction checklist. So here's a pro tip: repurpose content into multiple formats to maximize its reach. Now, when somebody searches for a solution, they are already showing intent. So search engine marketing helps you capture these high intent leads. So here's how you should go about it. So first is run Google ads. So target keywords which your audience is searching for. Then optimize for local SEO. If your service is location specific, ensure your business appears in local searches. Then track performance. Use analytics to measure which keywords and ads generate the most leads. For example, if you offer cybersecurity services, target keywords like best cybersecurity solutions for SMBs. And here's a pro tip: pair SEM with strong landing page for maximum conversions. Now, influencer marketing. See, influencers are not just for B2C. In B2B, industry experts and thought leaders can drive leads by endorsing your product. How do you collaborate with them? First is guest post. Write for their blog or invite them to write for yours. Then co-host webinars. Partner on a webinar to reach a wider audience. Then have social media mentions. Have influencers share your content or offers with their followers. For example, say partner with an industry analyst to co-author a white paper. Now their audience becomes your potential leads. Here's a pro tip for you: choose influencers who align with your brand and audience. Now, there is no better way to generate leads than by letting potential buyers experience your product firsthand. So, this is how you should do it. First, highlight the benefits, show how your product solves their problem. Then, simplify signups. Make it easy to register for a trial or a demo. Then, follow up. Reach out during or after the trial to address questions and encourage conversion. For example, a CRM company might offer a 14-day free trial with follow-up emails offering tips on getting started. So here's a pro tip for you: use feedback from trial users to improve your offering. Now, sometimes people need a little reminder. Retargeting ads help you stay top of mind for prospects who have already interacted with your brand. Now let's understand how retargeting works. First is you identify website visitors. Use cookies to track visitors who did not convert. Then display personalized ads. Show ads on LinkedIn, Google, or Facebook, encouraging them to take the next step. Then offer incentives. Use discounts, free resources, or exclusive offers to re-engage them. For example, a prospect visit a prospect say visits your pricing page but does not sign up. Now later they see an ad offering a free consultation. So here's a pro tip. See, retargeting works best with a compelling call to action. Alright, here's the game changers. First is use chatbots on your website. Chatbots can answer questions and capture leads 24/7. Then host virtual events. Beyond webinars, consider multi-day online conferences. Then leverage customer referrals. Happy clients can become your best advocates. Now, these tactics are not just effective, they are essential in today's competitive landscape. And there you have it, lead generation tactics for B2B marketers. From optimizing your website and leveraging LinkedIn to hosting webinars and running retargeting ads. These strategies are designed to bring the right leads into your funnel. So, what's the key takeaway? That lead generation is not about quantity, it is about quality. So, focus on attracting the right people, and everything else will fall into place. In our next video, we will discuss lead lifecycle management from awareness to conversion. It's a must watch if you want to turn your leads into loyal customers. See you there.